Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access Clock app. Now select Alarm at the bottom left corner and click on this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour and choose OK. Now you need to click on days of the week that you wish to set up and click on Add Label. After that, type in wherever you wish to and choose OK. Now tap on this little icon next to Vibrate to disable Enable Vibrations and click on Default. Now you can pick one of those sources, or pick Dismiss and click on the best melody for you. I will go with Neon. But you can also select Add New. Pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the top left corner, selecting one of those sources like Downloads, tapping on the song and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, click on Delete at the bottom left corner of it. And if you want to adjust more alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Settings and manage all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!